Making hard-boiled eggs in your Instant Pot is both fast and easy. Some people actually buy an Instant Pot for the sole purpose of making hard-boiled eggs. If you're wondering how to do it, I'll show you how. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. And today we are making hard-boiled eggs using our Instant Pot, and you only need water and your eggs to do this. And about 20 minutes. That's all it's going to take. But the best part is this method is hands off. You set it, you walk away, you forget it. You can clean the kitchen, you can do homework, you can mow your lawn. I don't know. You can do a lot of things in the time you make your hard-boiled eggs. The best part is these hard-boiled eggs are so easy to peel. Like, you're not going to cut up your fingers trying to peel your hard-boiled eggs anymore. The shells just fall off. I don't know what it is about the pressure cooker and cooking them under pressure, but it is like magic. One question that is asked a lot in regards to making hard-boiled eggs in your Instant Pot is, do you need a steamer basket? The answer is no, but if you have one, definitely use one because it makes the process so much easier. This is the steamer basket I usually use when making hard-boiled eggs. It has a nice handle on it. It can hold a lot of eggs. It just makes it so easy to just be able to pull out all of your eggs at the same time instead of having to use tongs and pull them out one at a time. So we're going to load up our eggs into the steamer basket, and this method works with one egg. It works for 2 dozen eggs. However many eggs that you can fit in your steamer basket, you can cook at the same time. The timing won't change. And then you need some water in the base of your Instant Pot. For your 6-quart, you're going to need about 1 cup. If you have a larger Instant Pot, you'll need about 1.5 cups. And the water goes straight into the liner. And your eggs in your basket go straight in just like that. And if you don't have a steamer basket, set your trivet into the Instant Pot and then just stack your eggs onto the trivet. The water does not have to be covering the eggs or even touching the eggs for it to work. We'll just place our lid on here. Make sure this top knob is pointing towards ceiling, and then we're going to use the 5-5-5 method for cooking our eggs. That just means a 5-minute cook time on high pressure, a 5-minute natural pressure release, and then a 5-minute ice bath. To set my Instant Pot for 5 minutes on high pressure, I'm going to push the manual button and use the plus and minus buttons to adjust to 5 minutes. If your Instant Pot does not have that manual button, you'll look for the pressure cook button, and it's going to beep. Okay, now all we have to do is just wait. We're just going to wait for it to come to pressure. It will take probably about 10 minutes for it to come to pressure, and then it'll cook for 5 minutes. We're going to wait and let it natural pressure release for 5 minutes before we turn that knob. If you need more information about what a natural pressure release is, definitely check out my natural pressure release versus quick release video. It will explain everything that you need to know about that. While our Instant Pot is coming to pressure, do me a favor and hit the like button on this video if you're enjoying it, and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos coming out, both recipes, fun desserts, Instant Pot content, all of the things. I don't want you to miss out on any of them. We have been natural pressure releasing for 5 minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this knob to release the pressure. I've got this ice bath prepped right here, so we are just going to go directly from the Instant Pot to our ice bath. Make sure you're careful, this is going to be really hot. Goes right into our ice bath. Make sure the water is covering your eggs. Now we're just letting these eggs sit and cool in this ice bath for 5 minutes to complete our 5-5-5 method for our hard-boiled eggs. See you in about 5 minutes. I just pulled the eggs out of the ice water bath and I'm just drying them off here. Before we get to checking out how easy these are to peel, I just wanted to let you know that sometimes, every once in a while, you'll have an egg crack inside of your Instant Pot while they're hard boiling, and that's actually just because there's probably already a little hairline crack in your egg before they're hard boiled. There's nothing you can do about it. It's not the Instant Pot, it's not you. It's just because there's already a little crack in the egg. My favorite way to take the shell off of the hard-boiled egg is to tap the bottom, tap the top, and then roll it just like this underneath your hand. You're going to use about medium pressure to do it. So let's do it.
Wow!
Look at how the peel just falls off. We have our peel in like 2 pieces here for our cute little hard-boiled egg. Now you know how to make hard-boiled eggs using your Instant Pot, and they peel perfect every single time. These are great for, egg salad sandwiches, just plain hard-boiled eggs, for dyeing eggs at Easter time. It's not really a recipe, this method. This method is perfect for so many different occasions. Now, next time you need to make hard-boiled eggs, just pull out your Instant Pot and you can make them perfectly in no time. That was so good. Some people love hard-boiled eggs, could eat them every day. It's like a snack, breakfast maybe, love them on their salads. I am not one of those people.